this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with some instant noodles you may have. And I've got one that came by way of James of Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is the JML udon with udon noodles with seafood flavor from China. But it's got two different nutrition facts, one for Canada and one for here. So I'm calling this one from China. If it was just an export version for the United States, I'd say it was USA. So this one has literally, quite possibly, the largest noodle block I've seen to date. It's freaking huge, and I don't even know if it'll fit in my pot. It won't. How do you do this? Wow. That is not cool. So I just we'll keep shoving it down. I'm giving it 4 minutes. All this stuff goes in too, but it's 4 minutes. I don't know. That noodle block is just way too freaking big for its own good. Looks like peas and green onions in that part of the deal. Here we go. There you go. Keep going. You almost got it. You almost got it. Get in the bowl. Get in the pot. And submerge. Perfect. Now, we're going to add in the liquid portion. I hope this stuff is good. We'll see. I will let you know if it's good or not. Sadly, I really have no seafood. All I have are fish ball, and they're kind of old, so I think I'm gonna forego adding anything like that. I've got some chashu. I'll use that. Whoa. That is a lot of stuff in that pot. I don't think it really wants to fit it all. Wow, how is it at 112 already? Well, I guess the day is going by pretty quick. Yeah, it's my birthday, and I'm done with this. I'm gonna go get some bananas at the store. But once I'm done with this, I'm just gonna be like, screw it, because I don't want to do reviews tomorrow on Wednesday, because my wife is doing a half day tomorrow, and I figure since the kids get out early, I'll just not review tomorrow. It's kind of weird, but it really doesn't matter. I'm like 200 freaking reviews ahead. I guess I can have a break. I'm not taking a break, and it's my birthday, so I might as well do it tomorrow. But yeah, I just beat. Yeah, I'm pretty tired, but it looks really nice out. But I can't take my dog with me into Safeway to get bananas, which sucks. And, yeah, bing, bong, bing, bing, bong, bing, bong. I think I'm seeing a lot of seaweed cropping up here over in the noodle pot. Yeah, I think once it's not my birthday anymore, I'll be pretty happy-go-lucky. But at the moment, I'm just like, the expectations of having a happy birthday. That's all that it is, and I just don't like that. I never think about my age unless it's my birthday. You know. So yeah, I'm just like, I used to love my birthday. I don't get it. But now I'm 48, and I'm the ramen raider, and that's what I do. Which is pretty cool. I mean, I'll admit that's not what I expected. I expected at this point to be like a computer hardware tech somewhere, which honestly, in thinking about it now, that's not like that great of a deal. I think this is more interesting, at least personally speaking. But yeah, an avid walker and and a ramen enthusiast. That's pretty good. Pays some bills. And yeah, it's not a bad thing. It could have been worse. But I don't think I would be like any happier at all if I were if life went the way that I kind of wanted it to go. I think it just kind of like I've always kind of let life take me where it wants me to go, and it really hasn't been bad. You know, it's been pretty nice. God, look at all this freaking noodles! Wow. Okay. Yeah, 600 mils of water and a massive noodle block. Noodle's good. And there is our liquid. Definitely seafood flavor. Seafood flavor. Yes. Not bad. I mean, it's honestly, I'll say it's pretty much what I expected it to be. And it seems, even though it's Chinese in origin, it kind of reminds me of what I would kind of expect out of a Korean seafood udon. Just for the most part. It could have been a little better. I don't want that side or that side. I want that side. Whoa! Okay. Here's our massive amount of that. Holy cow. That's as much hassle I'm gonna get on to some chashu. I know it's pork and not fish. Give me a break, but it's really I don't have any. Like I said, I got fish ball, but I don't really see that working out to any great extent. So I'm just gonna toss an egg in here and hope it does well. That's a little better than the last one I dropped. And some spring onion. I think I'm gonna forego the mung bean sprouts. Like that. Crushed red pepper, I think so. And some seeds, that seems logical. Yeah, this is like a sharing size ball of noodles. This is a lot. I mean, I'm sure there's plenty of people that want to scarf down this much food, but it's quite a bit. Honestly, yeah, that noodle block, boy. And honestly, also, I thought this huge bowl that I don't like using these bowls because I usually have issues with taking shots of the bowl because of the shadow, because they're so deep. But really not bad with this one. But I thought it would be like even less so. I thought it would be like really unwieldy. But not so unwieldy today. Oop. Oop. Classical. There we are. Enjoy. Well, folks, that's it for me today, and yeah, so give it a couple days. These, overnighted, these eggs didn't marinate so much that they're super dark. I think they can go another couple days, and then I can use the rest of them. Yeah, I got 5, so I got 2 left. Perfect. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Thanks for watching, and yeah, if you like and subscribe, it really would help me out a lot. Thanks. Bye.